Ever wonder what your dreams really mean? What if I told you that every dream is 100% about you? That's right. Every person, place, and thing you see in a dream is actually just a reflection, an aspect of your very own consciousness. Think about it. When you go to sleep, you're unplugging from the outside world. Your attention shifts from your outer environment to your inner one. Your thoughts are essentially images, and your dreams are just revealing these image thoughts hidden deep within your subconscious mind. Let's take a common dream theme, stealing. What does it mean if you dream about someone stealing from you, or even if you are the one doing the stealing? To understand this, we first need to understand the symbol of money in dreams. In our waking life, money is how we represent value. When you buy something, you're making a judgment about its worth. Is it overpriced, underpriced, or just right? This is an energy exchange, a flow of giving and receiving. Since everything in your dream is about you, money in a dream reflects the value you see within yourself. So if money is coming to you in a dream, it might symbolize that you're increasing your self-worth and self-value. On the other hand, if money is being taken away, it could mean you're devaluing yourself in your waking life. Pay attention to whether money is flowing in or out in your dreams, and even in your life. This brings us back to stealing. Dreaming of stealing often reflects the ways you might be taking away from your own self-value. Do you talk down to yourself when you make a mistake? Do you entertain thoughts of doubt, telling yourself you can't achieve something? Maybe you call yourself names or beat yourself up over past actions. These are all forms of stealing from your own self-worth. You are robbing yourself of confidence, peace, and self-love. So the next time you have a dream, remember that it's a message from you to you. It's a mirror showing you what's happening on the inside. Understanding these symbols is the key to unlocking profound self-awareness. If you want to dive deeper and get true clarity on any dream you have, you should check out the Chitta Dream Decoder. It is an incredible tool that helps you understand the personal messages your subconscious is trying to send you. Stop guessing and start understanding. Find the clarity you've been looking for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into your inner world.